With over $12 billion in smoked salmon slices consumed yearly, the demand is staggering. Let's explore the detailed process behind this premium delicacy. The production of smoked salmon slices begins with the arrival of fresh, premium-grade salmon at the factory. These salmon are sourced from trusted fisheries to ensure exceptional quality. Upon arrival, the salmon are promptly stored in refrigerated areas to preserve their freshness. The first step in the processing line is a thorough inspection by trained workers. Each fish is carefully checked for size, color, and overall quality. Only the finest salmon are selected for smoking, ensuring that the final product meets the highest standards. This meticulous inspection guarantees that every slice of smoked salmon will have the ideal texture, flavor, and visual appeal. After passing inspection, the salmon are transferred to the cleaning area, where they undergo a thorough washing process. This step ensures the removal of dirt, scales, and any residual debris from the fish's surface. Once cleaned, the salmon proceed through grading, where they are sorted by quality. The next step is gutting, where internal organs are carefully removed, followed by deheading to prepare the fish for filleting. This meticulous cleaning and preparation process is essential for maintaining the salmon's quality and ensuring a smooth transition to the filleting stage. By the time the salmon reaches the filleting area, it is clean, fresh, and ready to be transformed into high-quality slices for packaging and distribution. In the filleting step, salmon are brought to the filleting area, where skilled workers or automated machines carefully remove the heads, tails, and bones using sharp knives. Precision is key, as each fillet must have the correct thickness and size. In larger factories, automated filleting machines streamline the process, ensuring consistent and high-quality fillets. This step is crucial in preparing the salmon for packaging, ensuring that each slice meets the desired quality standards before distribution. After the salmon is filleted, it undergoes a crucial step known as curing. Each fillet is individually scanned by a dry salter, which precisely measures the appropriate amount of salt and other dry ingredients. Less salt is applied to the belly and tail, ensuring a balanced and consistent product. The curing mixture, typically a blend of salt and sugar, is applied to enhance the salmon's flavor and preserve its quality. This method eliminates the need for flushing after curing, which not only improves the taste, but also maintains the integrity of the fillet. The result is a perfectly seasoned, high-quality salmon slice, ready for further processing or packaging. The salmon fillets are smoked in the smoking the salmon stage by placing them in enormous chambers filled with smoke from oak, cherry, or apple wood. Cold smoking ensures a low temperature, preserving the salmon's delicate texture while imparting rich, smoky flavor. Once the smoked salmon is properly chilled, it moves to the slicing stage, a critical step in the production process. High-speed slicing machines are used to cut the salmon into thin, uniform slices, ensuring precision in thickness and consistency. These machines are carefully calibrated to maintain the same slice size and appearance across every batch. This uniformity is essential for packaging and consumer satisfaction, guaranteeing that each package meets quality standards. Slices that do not meet these strict criteria are removed from the production line and repurposed for other products, such as salmon flakes or spreads. By ensuring consistency in slicing, the factory delivers visually appealing and evenly portioned smoked salmon slices that meet customer expectations. Factory employees and quality assurance specialists closely monitor each step of the slicing quality control phase to make sure the smoked salmon satisfies stringent safety and quality standards. This includes employing UV disinfection conveyors to eradicate pollutants, prolong shelf life, and ensure a high-quality final product. After the smoked salmon slices are prepared, they move into the crucial packaging stage, where freshness and quality are preserved. In large factories, the slices are batched and packed into thermoformers, which create an airtight seal to prevent spoilage and extend shelf life. This sealing process not only locks in the salmon's rich flavor and delicate texture, but also ensures it remains fresh until it reaches consumers. Proper packaging is essential for maintaining the product's premium quality, ensuring that the salmon slices retain their freshness and taste throughout distribution. By carefully controlling this step, factories guarantee that consumers enjoy the finest smoked salmon possible when it arrives at stores or is delivered to their homes. Vacuum-sealed smoked salmon slices are labeled with important details including the brand name, ingredients, nutritional value, and expiration date in the labeling the package's process. Some labels also feature serving suggestions or recipes. Automated machines handle the labeling process efficiently, ensuring clear, consistent labels on every package, making important details easily accessible for customers. So there you have it, the incredible journey from fresh salmon to smoked salmon slices. Be sure to check out our next video on how canned tuna is made as well.